Hello everybody, welcome to VCD Tinkerbench. I'm Cindy, your host. Today we're going to be unboxing the Sony Alpha 7ii camera that we bought. We wanted something that would be of good quality for when we do videos, although we had already bought another camera. This is a picture camera that we can also use as a secondary camera for when we do videos. And the cool part about this camera when you're taking pictures is that it is 4K, and then for videos it's 1080p. So it's a really high quality camera. So let's see if I can get this box open so we can check out what comes inside. So we have lots of booklets and manuals, very important. It comes with a strap. This is the camera itself. Wow. It's a beautiful camera. Has some weight to it, which isn't a bad thing. Let's see what else came with it in the box. We have the cover. And then we have an E-mount lens that comes with the camera. It's really cool. We did a lot of research before we finally got a camera. Anytime you're gonna do such a big ticket price purchase, you wanna make sure that you do all your research and make sure that the camera that you're buying fits your needs and for the purpose that you're gonna be using it for. So the camera also comes with a wall charger. We have our battery, we have the cable. So that's pretty much it. We also bought these memory cards so we can use them with the camera. There's specific memory cards that you can use for this camera. Not all memory cards can be used. So that's something you definitely need to research before you buy the camera as well. That way you know what you need to purchase. That's pretty much it. We're really excited to start using it. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure you hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we post any new videos. Subscribe to our channel and like us on social media. Vita Custom Designs is our social media. VCDnow.com is our shop. Thank you guys. Have a good night.